Alright, I'm going to compare the Makita impact driver, the Craftsman impact driver, the Craftsman made in the United States impact driver with 3 settings, LED lights. Oh yeah. The Craftsman drill, the Hitachi impact driver, and the Makati drill. Or Makita. Why did I say Makati? Makati! Okay, so first, we're gonna do the Makita versus the Craftsman. Look at that! The Makita did so great. Left it in there. Oh my gosh! There we go. Alright, now we'll do Makita versus Craftsman impact drivers, not made in the United States. Okay, let's get lined up here. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's a horrible idea. That worked good. We're just doing one.
You want to restart?
No. No. This adds to it.
Yeah.
Alright. Me personally, I think this is a little plasticky feeling compared to the Makita. This feels like plastic. This feels like Metal Gears. Do you hear that like whine that's got? I don't like that. So let's try the USA one. USA one's a little bit heavier weight-wise on top than the normal one, but it does have more settings. We're gonna do it without a pre-drill. Ah, this is great. Alright, we're gonna just go for it on something. Okay. Now let's try it with the USA one. I hate that sound. Alright, let's try the Hitachi. Oh, that's a T20. That's like a T15 bit. Alright, here we go. Stop laughing. Doesn't help. Oh, there we go. This is the quietest one, by far. But the battery life on it is pretty horrible. It'll last like an hour and then it's dead, at most. This one has the best battery life. This is second, but this is also a longer lasting battery. This is just the standard 20-volt battery. This is 3 amp hour battery, so it'll last a little longer. This one's definitely the highest quality. This one's really plasticky and horrible sounding. This one's really quiet, but not as powerful, and won't last nearly as long. And yeah, that's all I got for this horrible video today.